Hello guys, so you've heard about Laravel and you're wondering what is this? Okay, so this is a PHP framework for web AdSense, and welcome to the video tutorial where you're gonna learn about Laravel by building real-world applications. Okay, so we're gonna build a series of applications that you're gonna learn a lot from. So in this video right here, I'm just gonna show you how to install Laravel on your computer. Okay, so let's head over to the documentation and to the installation right here. Okay, so obviously, since you're a PHP developer, you have a PHP local development environment already set up. Okay, so and they actually take care of most of these requirements. Okay, so installing Laravel. Okay, so we can use Composer Global Require Laravel install right here. And before you install Laravel, make sure you have Composer installed on your system. Okay, so if you go over to Composer, get composer.org right here. It's a dependency manager for PHP. Okay, so it's gonna help us pull in those packages that we need, and it's also even gonna help us pull in Laravel itself. So go ahead and download it and just install the executable. Pretty easy to install. Once you have that, you can now run Composer from your terminal. For example, since I have Composer installed, if I run Composer, I have a list of commands right here. Okay, so it means I'm ready to go. So go ahead and download the executable for Composer and install it. Okay, so that should be pretty easy to do. Now, how do we install Laravel? So you can actually install an installer for Laravel by saying Composer Global Require Laravel installer. And what this is going to do is simply install a command line application that you're going to be able to use to install Laravel by just running Laravel new block. Okay, so you can install Laravel that way, or you can also do it like this. Okay, so Composer, create a new project called Laravel, and we'll save it in the block directory. Okay, so this is the method we're gonna use just for simplicity. So I'll copy that command right there, and I'll cd into the direction where I want to install Laravel. Okay, so I'll cd into my desktop right there, and I'm on my desktop. And what I'm gonna do is paste in that command. So Composer, create project, preferred distributed, Laravel, then block. So right here is the name of my project that I'm gonna create. Okay, so since we're gonna start with a to-do app, I'm gonna say to-dos. Okay, so if I hit enter, this is gonna pull in Laravel from GitHub through packages, and it's gonna install into our directory. Okay, so this is how we install Laravel. So I'll go ahead and pause the video till that is done. Okay, I'm back. So my Laravel is done installing. Okay, so right here, if I ls to see the list of directories that I have, right there you see I have a to-dos directory. So I'll just cd into that directory. So cd into to-dos, and I'm in that directory right now. And how do I boot up my Laravel application as soon as I install it? I just run php artisan serve. And what is this? So PHP Artisan is a command line interface that comes by default with Laravel, which would help us to do cool stuff like, for example, view our application in the browser by running this command right here. And it's also going to help us to create fast classes. It's going to help us to generate stuff rapidly to speed up our development, since that is the whole point of a framework. So right here, let's run our first AdSense command. So it says Laravel development server started on localhost port 8000. So I'll copy that and I'll go ahead to my browser and paste it right there. Okay, so there is our first Laravel application. So Laravel, and everything is set up automatically for us. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.